Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Farming Simulator could not connect to the server error. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. First thing you will do is go on search and write down cmd, command prompt, and run it as administrator. After that, you want to go ahead and write this down. You want to write down ipconfig /flush DNS, just like so. Enter it and you have successfully flushed DNS resolver. What you can also go ahead and do is write down an netch winsock reset. You can go ahead and write that down. It doesn't really, let's write that down one more time, just like so. After that, you need to go ahead and restart your PC. Now, if that didn't fix the problem, you can go ahead to your network settings. Here on network and internet, you want to go to advanced network settings. And on advanced network settings, you want to do a network reset. Go ahead and reset now. If you are using Wi-Fi, then you will need to enter the password after this. And the last thing you can do is go to advanced network settings, choose your internet, then more adapter options, click edit. After that, you want to choose IPv4, Internet Protocol version 4. Open it up, use the following DNS servers, and you want to write that down. Google servers, so it would be 8888 and 888 4 and 4. Then click OK and OK. And that should fix your problem about connectivity issues. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.